The Bitcoin daily close is extremely bullish. What do we want to see next to confirm this bullishness? And will PayPal create their own crypto? All that and more in today's video. What up, homies? It's the Crypto Homie back at you with yet again another video. And before we dive into it, make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into it, as you homies see, we're at $12,843 at the time of this recording. I said in yesterday's video we needed to close above $12,500, and look, we did just that. We closed, I mean, no, this is the weekly, unfortunately. We closed at 12,000, like $800, and we're up slightly for the day. So basically, the weekly looks the same. The reason why I had the weekly up is because we want to see this. We want to see the weekly close above 12,500 to be even more bullish. Going back to the daily, as you guys can see, we're doing that. We don't want to smash through this and then close the weekly, which is Sunday. And just to clarify for all the homies out there, it has 3 days and 12 hours left on this weekly candle. And keep in mind, guys, we're coming up on the monthly. It's already October 22nd. And if we could close above 12.5, that would be super bullish. You want to know why? Well, let's look left and let's find out why. Make this a little bit bigger. Let's zoom in. As you guys can see, how many other candles closed above this line right here? I got 12.5. How many other candles closed? You had this candle close, but then it opened and it actually closed down here. So only one. If this one would close, it would be the second Bitcoin candle, monthly candle, to ever close above $12,500. And that right there is mega bullish. That right there is that right there would be great. Because look, we've had so much resistance at 14 come back down, just slamming back down, smack back down to almost the 2018 lows. And we're pushing our way up. We resisted it back in August, but we were like almost there, but not yet. October. So in August we almost went there, and then in September, we bounced back down as a correction month. Everybody's getting super bearish. All that hype was gone, but now things just in the past few days, just mainly yesterday and the day before, have started to get ultra bullish. So look at that. We definitely want to close the monthly above 12.5. That would be great. The higher the better, obviously. But our next major resistance, just to keep in mind, like my homies, is $13,967. So basically 13,900, 14,000. That's our next resistance. We got to break through to see Bitcoin go to new all-time highs. Just keep in mind, if you guys are not from 2017, Bitcoin went from around 10K to 20K in about 14 days. You go check the charts. It's crazy. Things move super fast. Once we break 14K, I believe 20K will be here in no time. So that's my personal opinion. Obviously not financial advice. But let's go back to the daily. As you guys see, we're holding it. I kind of expect maybe a wick to bounce back down here to 12.5 and shoot back up. That's just what I'm speculated on. And guys, going over to CoinGecko, just look, everything is pretty much in the green. You got for the last hour, you have slight red. It's less than 1% reds for a couple things, but you got last 24 hours. Look at that, 4, 8, 5, 5, 10, Chainlink up 10%. Things are looking great. And guys, what about this PayPal possible crypto? So this article by Cointelegraph says PayPal might issue its own cryptocurrency soon, says CoinShare executive. The CSO of CoinShares thinks that a payment-focused PayPal token could be forthcoming. And just a quote from him, he said, "I wouldn't be surprised if in the next 6 to 12 months we see PayPal launching its own digital currency similar to a digital dollar that we see in many payment companies." Guys, to be honest, they mentioned Libra. This right here is personally, I saw this coming. Everybody's gonna have their own digital currency. They're gonna have their own USD backed currency. They're gonna have their own kind of reward currency, guys. It's the future. It's gonna happen. And just to mention as well, in the next 6 to 12 months, expect to see more publicly traded companies buying Bitcoin on the balance sheet. Expect them to take in their hard-earned US dollars and put them into some good old Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has more of a store of value than the US dollar, which I'm sure many of you know that. So in the next 6 to 12 months, expect a crypto from PayPal and expect more and more publicly traded companies to invest in Bitcoin. So what do you guys think about PayPal? Do you guys use PayPal? Are you glad that you are now they're now making it able to where you can buy Bitcoin? Because I think it's pretty bullish news. Not gonna lie. I mean, we've seen Bitcoin make some major run. I'm not I'm not gonna say it's purely because of the PayPal news, but let's just say the PayPal news definitely did not hurt it. Definitely did not hurt it. And if you guys have been on this channel for a while now, you guys know we check out the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Looking at it, okay. So the fear and greed, we're getting greedy. We're pumping up there. Just I mean, last month we were at like 40. It was like all depressing, like oh I'm so fearful. Oh no. So now we're at 73. Yesterday was 61. See, 61 to 73. Whoa, that's a massive jump. Last week was 56. Last month was 39. But like looking at the past year, guys, we said like down here around 40ish area, where we got to hold that as support, which we did. Now, and we started forming this little base right here because you guys can see there's it like basically just like look left. You guys see okay, there's a lot of price action here, which this isn't price action, it's just like greed action, I guess you'd call it, or fear action. But look at that. We had a lot going in here and massive breakout. So we definitely want to get above like 75, 78. So like let's call that 80. We definitely want to get above 80. No, we actually were above 80. 84. Okay, if we can get above 84, that'd be great. Because look, we came up, we consolidated, came up, consolidated. Hopefully we can get, like a higher high. It would just look good. I mean, the fear and greed, you look at it, you can go back, look left, look at the charts, pretty much sums up like what Bitcoin does. It just gives you the analysis of, hey, are people being extremely greedy? Are people extremely fearful? Obviously, fearful is a great time to buy. Down here is a great time to buy because people are like, oh my goodness, what's going on? Uni's going to zero. Bitcoin's going to zero. Everything's dead. People are freaking out. And now people are like, oh, we're going to the moon. The moon. You guys buckled up like the land, like all that, hype stuff. But that mentions Uni. I mean, look at Uni. We're still resisting the $3.20 area. That is not good. We're still resisting it. That's not good, homies. We want to see a break up here. Obviously, we had a lot of selling pressure right here. See that big wick? That's selling pressure. And yeah, we smacked down. I'm actually surprised we didn't smack down harder. I'm really surprised we did not come back down and retest this $2.50 area. Just putting that out there. I'm very surprised. But hey, look at that. It's looking good though. I mean, it could be worse. This candle's like it's green. We're moving up. There's only a small wick up here. Hopefully we can close because it still has 11 hours and 16 minutes. Hopefully it can close with the body up higher. That would be great. I mean, and you got like guys. I personally just bought some helium today. I think it's a great price. I bought some at $1.59 the other month. Today it's at $1.13. It was like buy some more. It's a possible pro Coinbase listing. What do you guys think about helium? It's something nobody talks about, and it's down. That's why I'm buying it because nobody's talking about it, and it's down. I mean, like OXT people are freaking out like a month or two ago about that dollar run. Look at it; it's a great time to buy, in my personal humble opinion, not financial advice opinion, but just like personally. And you got like Filecoin. I mean, hanging at $26, guys, homies. $10 Filecoin. I'm still calling it. Still calling it $10 Filecoin. Love it or hate it. That's what I think is going to happen. I would not be surprised. I mean, I actually thought it would do better since Bitcoin's pumping, but I was wrong. I was wrong, homies. It's not doing better. It's still underperforming. Let's put it that way. So yeah, guys. I mean, we got a bunch of green here. This is what we like to see. I mean, what do you guys think? What coins are you guys invested in? I mean, Ample's still up 12%. You got XRP up 3%. Atom 4%, Band Protocol 6. Things are just looking great. What altcoins are you guys currently into? What do you guys think about the price action of Bitcoin? You think we're gonna hit 20K this year? I wouldn't be surprised to see a $20,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. And what about that PayPal? The whole they're gonna have their own crypto. Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, homies, this is not financial advice, just pure entertainment, educational, and entertainment purposes only. Make sure you smash that like button if you like the video and subscribe for more content because the Crypto Homie is signing out.